Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location of Venezuela. Venezuela is a country, it is a Latin American country. It is present in South America, in fact the northernmost country in South America. The capital of Venezuela is Caracas, and recently in 2018, after the hyperinflation that the world has seen, or Venezuela in particular has seen, it changed its currency, so that's how it was in news. It changed its currency from Bolivar Feudo to Soberano. So this is why it is in use. So the present currency of Venezuela is Bolivar Soberano. And Venezuela used to be a Spanish colony, and the Spain people have gone there in 1522, and from then till 1811, that was when Venezuela got its independence, there was this Spanish rule in Venezuela, or the colonies of Spain in Venezuela. And in 1958, Venezuela declared itself as a democratic country. It opted this form of governance. In 1999, Venezuela got its newest constitution. Earlier to that, it used to have a different constitution. And the recent newest constitution adopted by Venezuela is in 1999. So these are some 4 important years important regarding Venezuela. And it is also called as Little Venice. So Venezuela, the meaning is Little Venice. Now we shall see the bordering countries of Venezuela and what are a sea and an ocean that are also bordering it, and different kinds of islands that are also bordering it. Now, as I've told, Venezuela is in South American continent, in fact the northernmost country in South America. The countries that are bordering it are Colombia, Brazil, Guyana, and 2 water bodies. One is Caribbean Sea and North Atlantic Ocean. These 2 are in the north of Venezuela. We shall see how. Caribbean Sea is on the east, on the north side it is on the eastern side. On the western side it is North Atlantic Ocean that is present. And as this has got coastlines with these 2 important, one ocean and a sea, Venezuela has got some bordering coastlands of some islands. So it has got this maritime borders with some islands also. So these islands I have named here. There are 4 islands. These 4 islands are Caribbean islands in the Caribbean Sea. They are Aruba, Curacao, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago. So these are the 4 important Caribbean islands that are having borders with Venezuela, in fact the maritime borders. Now, some important things from Venezuela are Andes Mountains. Andes mountain ranges are very important in South America, we know that. So these are also present in Venezuela. We shall see where they are present. And Amazon rainforest basin is very important in South America. It is also present in Venezuela. Now we shall also see Llanos Plains, Guiana Highlands, and there is a lake called Maracaibo Lake. So all of these we shall look at. And Venezuela is very famous for one particular thing, that is Angel Falls. Angel Falls is the highest waterfalls in the whole world. So that is how Venezuela is very famous for the tourism point of view also. With regard to Angel Falls, we shall look at this also. And Venezuela has got proven oil reserves. This has got, in fact, the highest proven oil reserves in the whole world. So as it has got these oil reserves, in fact 96% of Venezuela's exporting products is all oil. So this is very important. So because of this particular reason, it is also a founding member of OPEC, Organization for Petroleum Exporting Countries. So member or a founding member of OPEC. And there is an important group with respect to Venezuela, that is Lima Group. So Lima Group is recently formed in 2017. This group contains 14 countries. These 14 countries fight for Venezuela crisis. So Venezuela crisis is a very important word regarding Venezuela. So the crisis is about political prisoners and free elections, democracy, the breakdown of democracy in the country, and humanitarian aids also. So all of these are some crises in Venezuela, that it has got some political prisoners. To release them, these Lima Group members will fight. And to conduct free elections, there are no free elections and there is no proper democracy in Venezuela. So in order to bring these 2 also, these Lima Group of 14 member countries will fight. And they also supply humanitarian aid to Venezuela. And Venezuela, one famous prominent thing regarding law is it abolished death penalty for all kinds of crimes. So no crime in Venezuela will have death penalty. This happened even in 1863. So far back then in 1863 itself, they abolished death penalty. This is a positive thing in Venezuela. So these are all some quick facts about Venezuela. Now we shall go in mapping about Venezuela. So Venezuela is in South America. So to just give some form to it, if this is considered as South America, Venezuela is present here. This is in fact the northernmost country in South America. Now we shall give an outline to Venezuela. So Venezuela somewhat looks like this. So this is how Venezuela looks. So this is the outline of Venezuela. Now we shall go with locating the countries around Venezuela. So firstly, we shall go in this manner of all the countries. So as this is the northernmost country, it will have all the countries south to it, all the bordering countries. So here on the west of Venezuela, we have Colombia, and here there is Brazil. On the south, on the immediate south, there is Brazil, and Guyana on the east. So this is all Guyana. So these are the three South American countries present around Venezuela. Now next we shall locate the Andes Mountains and all things inside Venezuela. So Andes Mountains are on the east of Venezuela. So this is the place where Andes Mountains are located, or they are on the west of Venezuela. So on the western side, Andes Mountains are present. Then on the south, there is Amazon forest. So Amazon forest occupies this south part of Venezuela. Here is Amazon rainforest. This is Amazon rainforest that is on the south of Venezuela. And next there are Guyana highlands. Guyana highlands are on the eastern side of Venezuela. So this is the part where Guyana highlands are present. So these three are important: Andes Mountains, Amazon, and Guyana highlands. After that, as I've told, there is this lake called Lake Maracaibo. Lake Maracaibo is present in this area. So this is Lake Maracaibo. So these are the important things in Venezuela, and as I've told, there is one very important waterfalls, that is Angel Falls. So Angel Falls is located on the eastern side of Venezuela. So this is the place where Angel Falls is located. This is a very important tourist spot. Next we shall see the two rivers, two seas, one sea and an ocean. Here there is Caribbean Sea on the north of Venezuela. So this is all Caribbean Sea on this side, and this is all North Atlantic Ocean here. So this is Caribbean Sea and this is all North Atlantic Ocean. So all of this is also North Atlantic. So this is how the two things are present over here. And as I have told, there are these islands of the Caribbean. On the Caribbean Sea, there are these islands: Aruba, just one beside the other, Curacao, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago. So these are the four islands. You can see the listing over here. So these four islands are what I located there: Aruba, Curacao, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago. These have got maritime borders with Venezuela. You can have a code for this, ACGT. So these four Caribbean islands have got borders with Venezuela. So these are all the important things in Venezuela. This is the whole about Venezuela. It has got Caribbean Sea on its north, North Atlantic Ocean also on its north. On its west, it has got Colombia, Brazil on the south, Guyana on its west. Inside, you must remember about Andes Mountains, Amazon Forest, Guyana Highlands, Angel Falls, and Lake Maracaibo. And on the Caribbean seaside, it has got borders with these four islands: Aruba, Curacao, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago. So this is all about Venezuela, and thank you.